Happy gift from me to me. I got myself the DJI Ronin-S, and the box seems to be damaged, which is not great, but hopefully it's all good on the inside. Let's check it out. Okay, so it seems undamaged, so that's good news. The box is very cool looking. It's essentially a hard foam case, which is different, and I love the locking mechanism it has. Very cool. And here we are, a box full of goodies. So of course you get the 24-watt power adapter, the plate that the camera will be mounted on. Next is this extension grip, which also doubles up as a tripod for the gimbal, for time lapses and things like that. It's a convenient addition. Then we've got the actual gimbal grip, which also has the battery LED indicator. It feels incredibly durable and sturdy. That's always a good thing, but you'd kind of expect that from a product at this price range. I paid the discounted rate of £499. Next is this little DJI case, which holds a few things. I don't care about that. So in this pocket there's this camera lens protector, and I just dropped a bunch of things whilst trying to get out this camera riser. You'll want to use this if you have a lightweight camera like the Canon M50. There's also a couple of 1/4" mounting screws, a few other screws. I'm not too sure what they're for just yet. There's also a couple of Allen keys, the USB-C charging cable, and finally a Type B camera control cable. Cool. And finally there's a Ronin-S gimbal itself. Yeah! It's got this joystick-like controller for manoeuvring, a record button, and this mode button where you get to configure 3 different modes on the Ronin app. And that's the unboxing done. I'm really looking forward to getting it balanced and trying it out. Look out for a review in a few weeks. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.